Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And this afternoon, we will learn how to play the worship songs Waymaker. Yep. So, what we need to do before we start, we're going to play in the key of A. So this is a capo. To increase, no, actually not to increase, that we are playing in the key of G, but because we're using this capo, is going to be a key of A. So that's very simple way to play this whole song, Waymaker, with only key of C. This is C. Of course, this is C. And then G. And then D. And then E minor. Well, that's all in the key of G. But since we are playing it in the key of A, we're gonna put the capo on the second fret, like here, still using the same key. Hup. Since we are moving it here, C will be here. Of course, this is C. But we're gonna play a simple one with this. Your fourth finger and your fifth finger will be here on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 5th fret on the strings number 5 and 6, and then your middle finger will be on the 5th fret on the 2nd string. Yeah, and your second finger will be on here on the 4th fret 3rd string, making a song C. Since this is we use the capo, C becomes D, and then G becomes A. And then D becomes E, and then we go to E minor, which becomes F sharp minor. Okay, I'll repeat back again. We're playing in the key of this is C, but since we're using a capo, this is D. And then you're going here. So these two fingers will remain the whole time. These two will move here. And then these two will move to below, playing it sound a D. Or you can also like keep putting this here, so you don't have to go anywhere with the pinky. And then E minor, which becomes F sharp minor. And the song goes like this. You are here, moving in our midst. I worship you, I worship you. You are here, healing every heart. I worship you, I worship you. You are Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. So just simply that 4 chords. You are here, working in our midst. I worship you, goes to D. I worship you, to E minor. You are here, healing every heart. I worship you, worship you. And then also goes to the refrain. You are Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. So from C, you are Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. E minor. You are Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. 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 Even when I don't see that you're working, even when I can't feel that you're working, you never stop working. You never stop working. Even when I don't see that you're working, even when I can't feel that you're working, you never stop working. You never stop working. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. So only those 4 chords. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. So remember, C, G, D, and E minor. That is who you are. 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 Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. That is who you are. We worship you. We worship Okay, good luck. Keep practicing. See you.